The President, Draupadi Murmu, has said artificial intelligence-based courses will provide solutions for upcoming challenges of society. Prime Minister Narendra Modi stressed that the verdict also strengthens the spirit of Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat and has enhanced constitutional integration. In Madhya Pradesh, Chief Minister designate Dr. Mohan Yadav will take oath as the Chief Minister tomorrow. The government is committed to modernize primary agricultural credit societies working at the grassroots level under cooperative credit structure. In the last 10 years, India has registered massive growth in the cruise sector, Shipping and Water Minister Sarbananda Sonowal said.